is a tool that allows you to install different scripts and apps like WordPress, Joomla, and Magento. Today, we'll show you how to remove installations you no longer need. First of all, you need to open the Softaculous Apps Installer menu in cPanel. You'll find it in the Exclusive for Namecheap Customers section. Open your list of installed apps by clicking the All Installations button in the top right corner. There, you can see all the installations you currently have. Find the installation you want to remove and click on the red cross next to it. On the next screen, you'll see general information about the installation you're removing, so you can choose whether all its data should be removed or not. Select the parts which should be completely removed. Click the Remove Installation button, then the OK button in the pop-up window in order to confirm removal. That's it! Thank you for watching. Please post any questions under this video or check out our knowledge base at Namecheap.com for more tips and support.